So the wife once woke me up on a Saturday morning and said she was on Craigslist. Who still uses Craigslist? Anyways, she goes on to tell me how she found a post that said some random dude was selling his lifelong collection of rocks. She then stated how she wanted me to get up, leave within 30 minutes, and go on a 2-hour road trip to this dude's house she found on Craigslist to buy rocks. This dude only had a few pictures on the listing and just a phone number to text if you're interested. I guess I'll have to go to make sure she doesn't end up on Silence of the Lambs.
It rubs the lotion on its skin.
So we packed up the Jeep, headed 2 hours away to hopefully add more cool rocks to our collection. Lucky our gamble paid off and it all worked out in our favor. The Craigslist ad should have said, old hippie selling epic rock collection, because that's exactly what it was. This guy had an insane collection since he's been collecting rocks for decades from all over the US. So we ended up bringing home a chunk of his collection, including this mysterious rock which we're about to slice open today. We knew this one looked different, but we had no idea the inside would be as awesome as it turned out to be. Because remember, buying rocks from an old hippie guy is like Forrest Gump's box of chocolates.
You never know what you're gonna get.
Anyways, are you ready to see the inside of this one? Dang, we didn't expect the inside to be this cool. We did some research and we think this thing is called a dug-away geode from the Utah area. We wish that we could have asked him more about this rock, but we ran out of time. Comment below if you think you know what this rock is, and tell us what is your craziest Craigslist find. And until next time, remember, the best stories are often starting with, so I found this rock, or I found this on Craigslist.